You sat with me in a hospital, oh, every day. You grabbed onto my little hands and told me, baby, you'll be okay. You've seen me fall and you've seen me cry. You know when I told the truth or when I lied. You saw everything that was right from wrong, and you've always turned out to be so strong. You're my hero even if you don't believe, 'cause everything I've been through is thanks to thee. I've been strong and I've been weak, but everything is thanks to thee. I won't forget the day you turned to me, said, are you okay? For the first time in my life, I told the truth, saying, Mama, don't know what to do. You said we will get through this, and with a good night kiss, you'd wish for all my dreams to come true. You'd wish for all the good news for the first time in my life. Now everything feels so right, and everything is all thanks to you, 'cause I could not do this without you. So here's to you on your special day, when everybody else tries to get in your way. It's Mother's Day and it's brand new. Dear Mama, I thank you. I thank you from my heart to the top of the stars. And I thank you from within for everything. 'Cause now I know the truth that everybody else wouldn't know, and everybody else don't got what it shows to be thankful for the little things, to be thankful for everything. You gave me home and you gave me food, you gave me love, what more could I do? You gave me hands to hold, you gave me arms with embrace, you gave me everything, even when we said our grace. And for the first time in the world, I sure hope you know how much this little girl thanks you for all you've ever done for me. So on this day and every day from now, listen to these words someday, somehow. 'Cause when I'm with you or when I'm not, these words will always be true. Mama dear, happy Mother's Day to you. But remember this, I thank you, and I will always love you.